Oh shit! Yo, what is up, guys? So, it's a different view. We're not on the R1 today. We've hopped on the Grom. And I will tell you guys, it's so different. I rarely ride the Grom, so it's super different. It's a super different feeling. Cut all that traffic off. Hey, I'm actually enjoying this, guys. This is very, very fun. Damn, this was wild, man. Holy shit. Alright, it's a funny story the way I met this dude. I had posted up my exhaust from the Grom on off-road, and he hit me up, but I was in San Francisco. And then, what's it called? So I was like, yo bro, you know, like, just fucking run whenever you're down and shit, you know. You got a small bike, I got a small bike. So, this is my first time meeting him. Cool dude so far. We're gonna go to Pedro, grab some drinks. Come on, Grom, you got this. Going uphill. Ah, come on, baby Grom. Gosh, she's not liking this. I don't know, it's hitting up the canyons on the Grom. I don't know if people are hating the Grom or loving the Grom. Honestly, guys, I think I might put the baffle back on. Oh, numbers in the boom, what? Whoa, voice crack right there. I was gonna say, let's take them off-roading. You want to? I'm down. Sorry, guys. Oh, we're off-road with the Grom, boys. Oh shit! How's it going? Let's have a good one. Oh shit! Bro! I did not see that shit. Did you see it?
Nah,
bro, look at that.
Oh, that little oh, you almost ate shit there?
Dude, I came down and oh my god.
I know.
Holy shit. Alright guys, so I'm almost out of gas. They probably hate us so much right now. Sorry guys. What the fuck? Bro, this is my first time filling this bike up.
Yeah, you have to hold it.
What the hell? It's almost full. $2? What the fuck?
Dude, to fill up my tank, I only put $2, huh?
What am I doing riding the R1 then?
Well, how much did you miss on that?
Like 12 bucks.
$4?
12.
12?
It's not bad, but
How long though?
it depends how hard I ride her.
Ride it every day.
Yeah. Well, like every week,
Yeah.
honestly.